Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Apple Watch band stand holder display. I did cut this tape already, so let's check it out. Wow. Thank you for choosing ATP Modern. Oh, use this promo code ATP Modern for 15% off your order if you're watching this and you're looking to order this on Amazon. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. But I got this to be a Apple Watch band holder, because all my Apple Watch bands get lost. I just toss them around everywhere. This is going to hold my Apple Watches. So 1, 2, 3, 6 holders, and you can put in the Apple Watch bands in here neatly. They have their logo engraved here on the bottom. I'm glad it's on the bottom so it's not all super flashy. But yeah, it's really nice. I think it feels high quality. And let me know what you think of this in the comment section. Again, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video, everyone. Later.